You see you trouble like this, now very free-handed, very good, not dishonest, not corrupted. You're so pleasant that you didn't talk your mind straight out. Who want love you, love you.
True. True.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Albert, blessed. Finally, I'm here.
You have honey?
Yes, I.
Yes, this is my. It's at the veranda, you know.
Oh, this is the veranda.
Yes.
Oh, Albert. Now I almost dropped.
No, man, you know, drop, man.
Nah, drop. So what I sing, so Albert?
I want this now. No, you want to.
You know, I realize.
You know, I can drop down. I saw the border, so I can fix it. I can put something underneath it so I can hold it.
Oh,
so
okay.
you're so still. Come, step that up.
Alright, step that up. Alright, step that up. So,
well, I'm going to make some chops with them.
oh, you make chops soon.
So, as we continue to
Yes,
take
it's on the house here.
our own health and the
Oh, yeah,
well-being
make
of all.
Yes, you
get
see them?
informed and take action to stay safe.
Follow the protocols. What
see?
we do not want is to be overwhelmed as a public
I don't think I'm a fix, man. Are you right?
Cut up a vegetable.
Yes, I have some culture now.
I've been to one of those hospitals where the wards are overflowing with patients who are trying to
So your
breathe
volume
and talk
can't
at the
go
same
down?
time, but
I change channel. How is that the tune?
Yes.
Oh, me wrong. Yeah, but you say it's called? Alright, so that turn part into there already.
Right.
Nice? Nice. You can sit down, man, Albert. You can do here, do.
Yeah, man, this made I look about. But I don't know almost.
Oh, you like cut up a vegetable?
I'm a little rancher, so I know.
Oh, you like a ranch?
Yeah, man, now you on there and Jesus.
You and Jesus.
Yes, man. You know?
Yeah.
I'm a little rancher over there, so not different people live over there.
Okay, and you're happy?
Yes.
Nothing to worry about, right?
True.
And these are the, what do you call these house? It's like a 2 shilling house, these house?
Yeah, man.
What do you call these one, 2 shilling?
It's one, you ever fix it up there?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, you are going to fix it up?
Yeah, man.
So, oh, you are going to fix it up?
You don't know already, now they're not going to need the finance.
Some finance.
Yes.
Cause you know one time I put the video up with you, them know chin, them know your brother, them I say your brother, oh, because you have your brothers, them live uptown.
Oh, yes, him live there uptown.
Yeah,
Him have a big, him big on me, man.
Yeah, can sit down. Cause them I say you choose to live this way, right?
Yes. You see? What's your name? What sister?
Yeah.
You want to sit down?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
You see? And I saw me stay between because my wife was here too, you know?
Your wife? So is your wife pass on?
But she passed off about 10 years now or more than that.
Oh, 10 years now.
About more than that, about 15 years to 20 years now.
Okay, so you been living here from them time then?
Yeah, man. And my yard, you know, so long time.
Long time. So you see a lot of face change in other yard, right?
Yeah, man.
Generations.
Yes.
So and then we had the 2 shilling house they call them back in the days, right?
Right.
I see in a Trenchtown alone have them. Cause these houses like it in Trenchtown as well.
True.
In type of yard, you can see. Yeah man, the roofing, not the roofing like the outside, with the veranda, little veranda as well.
Yes.
Never want to
It's one straight now, because you know. Every one of them have their one room.
Yeah.
Almost, you know what I mean? And everybody, you have to say, live more happy, and they have to say me. You see?
So are you very spiritual man?
Eh?
Are you very spiritual then?
Yeah, man.
So what type of spirituality you study?
I'm a Pentecostal.
Oh, which one then?
Revival.
Oh,
church.
revival.
Yes, but I hardly go to there now. I
Okay.
don't go to really have service like how I used to be, you know.
Yeah.
But it can be.
It can be.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I have to have a good foundation with some papers and all that straighten out. And you know, because I'm going down in my age now, so I have some paper and things to straighten out. So I mean?
Yeah. So tell us I come check you, and this is me here today.
I write to some my alone stay still, you know, I write to some day. I'm glad you come.
Yeah.
You can capture it. And I never know, so you see, I take a man maybe so simple and so great, but I never know, so you're so deeply in remembrance.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That you can remind me again and remember me again to the straight foundation where me tell you.
Yeah.
You just get up everything now, man.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's so I do my spiritual work, you know, and sincere to everyone.
Yeah.
Clean and upright and give up my tradition. I see them sort of with this little yard, my yard, but it just want to cooperate more.
Okay. What, the whole of the yard itself?
Yeah.
All the houses in the yard, you own them, right? Okay. So you're the landlord for this yard?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'm the caretaker for it,
Yeah.
You see? So, me have to cooperate towards against everything and see what everything straight out with. You see?
Yeah.
And set everything right.
Yes. True.
You see, when you are your own and things kind of hip and fall back. Wishing it shouldn't be. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Because my children now, them have for them foundation. And them have them for them home too. And for them house, so them fix up. Everybody fix up every little thing.
Yeah.
And says, I'll make a cooperate and know them too.
Yeah.
When the time come.
Yeah, when the time comes.
Yeah, man, because, I can't depend on them in anything when them delights.
Yeah, so you're the one that chose to live right here and live like this, right?
Yeah, man.
You just want to fend for yourself.
True.
So you're a soul survivor then, right?
Right.
And with a believer in your teaching, then that means you can see things. To my example, right?
Yes, man. True. A observer. He's a spiritual far observer. You can see far.
So you know why the Spirit tell you to tell me who come around here to come see you?
Yeah. It's true. It's true. They tell me personally that somebody will visit me. But it's all. I wonder if the one when we really talk about. When them say something to me a while ago, but it not surprise me, but I said, let the person come. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
But I know that when a message, you get a message and it's clean, and you see that it's upright, you're so determined to look back for that person then. And it is your heart. You have a strong spirit in you. And very determined. And when you see that person now, you feel different. You know.
Yeah.
That's why you come visit me. No. Exactly right now.
Okay.
I'm glad that me there, that me can, turn back, that I can know say I'm easy.
Yeah, true.
You see what I mean? And you see how me cooperate and make all of my little things in. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
And furthermore, me can make more things, but you with certain things with me. Yes, my brother. So what I know of and to what I see. There's a lot of desolation, but the desolation clear away.
It clear away. So you say I'm all clear now?
Yes.
So all the readings that I see from then until now it's all gone. Okay. And so you're gonna explain more to me what that mean?
Deep remembrance. When I go and read Corinthians 13.
When we go and read Corinthians 13. Okay.
You know spot that's you know spot today.
In the Bible, right?
Right.
Yeah. So I will look
when
for
I
it.
read Corinthians 13,
Yeah.
it will teach you what is certain message. It's full of understanding.
Yeah. So everything is what is now, me have to just accept it.
Yeah, man.
So
Because anything what you are doing, you do it right.
yeah.
You do nothing free, bro.
No.
Because if you're doing anything you like someone to come straight
Yeah.
For them come zigzag with you, your man going to cast them away. Because you're not stand up to foolishness.
Yeah, I don't stand to foolishness. Yeah.
So anything what you're doing, you have to do it upright
Yeah.
and clean,
Yeah.
honest to God.
Yeah.
Because the first thing you have to do is when you cooperate with freaking wisdom and for knowledge and for understanding. He will approach you at any time
Yeah.
and any moment.
Yeah. I understand.
You don't have no friend.
If you don't have no friend, well, it all depends on what we do call friend, you know, because I show everyone the same love that I can show. So it's all different. So I associate with everyone.
Yes, that is good. That is nice. It's same like myself. Me's a seller. I'm a great to everyone. But it's not everyone doing deal with you.
No.
Some will love you and some will hate you.
Yeah.
It's same like going out and coming in. It's same so with me. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
But only one thing too, me is an overcomer. Me will overcome those victory.
Okay.
Because I do not follow anything what is dangerous, anything what is corrupted. I don't follow it up.
Yeah.
It must need a quash the same time or another day or a certain time, and everything will quite alright.
Yeah. So you will accept.
But if you keep it in your mind and keep it in your heart, it won't be like a sucking memory. Before you build up, it draw you down.
Yes.
You don't have no time to steady. And it's something is steady. You know something? Me know a stranger don't come to me, you know. But me I wander home. And I pick up a message. That's why my pastor today, you know. She tell you?
Yeah, she tell me say you passed today.
Yes, my pastor up on the bicycle. And I furthermore, in that alone, somebody that give me a little small to me too. A little money.
Yeah.
And then me go away and that never was a problem still. But me see, I get you. And you see you trouble like this, you're very free-handed, very good, not dishonest, not corrupted. You're so pleasant that you didn't talk your mind straight out. Who want love you, love you.
True.
That's why you set your house in order.
Yeah.
You're so cute that even who you have, give guidance with you and move with you. It's so very technique. You know what I mean by technique?
No. Explain.
They must pursue themselves at all times. Wishing they don't have no corrupted mind and corrupted ways. That's why the scripture said, don't care what you do. Just set your house in order. And if that not set in order, it's bad.
So meaning what I'm doing now, I have to set that in order.
Yeah, everything we do, you set it in order, man. That's what I'm saying. Everything you do, you set it in order. You're a fair-minded man.
Yeah.
You don't talk and keep backward.
No.
You just plain, you just talk your mind.
Straightforward.
You do not even fall back nothing. That's why them look my good and say, boy, sometimes I love this man and the next time I say, boy, I love him, you know. The kind peculiar. But not knowing you what is peculiar. You just show them they understand and then they understand that.
Yeah.
And the reason why you succeed is just through your best to clean to the Almighty.
True.
Because if you never clean with him, you wouldn't abide with him. That's why I said God is able and God is clean.
Yeah.
God is gentle. That's why you see things must be upright, that you must set your house in order. Because you don't know when the angel will come in.
True.
If you do anything as a filthy rag, he will come, but not stay. He will shun. It's strange, you know, it's funny.
Yeah.
Because when I saw somebody come to me, I wonder to myself, who's that?
Who's that?
How the person is. But when you tell me what took place and what happened, I said, I'll know. Not to sit down and not to laugh in myself and say, look, simple things and simple word and simple understanding make someone will say, you know, not to take the man serious.
Yeah.
I'm prove it.
And you prove it.
I prove it now. That means to say, if I did have anything more dirty, filthy, dishonest, you wouldn't come. But you show me a miracle. You show me something that it's not shocking, but it's full of understanding.
Yeah.
That means to say, you come on my ranch, and you see me, you say, boy, I'm not going to see where I'm there.
Yeah.
If you mean harder. And same like when you see the driller, I saw the drill say the could be time being, you know. And when I ready, I'm straighten it out.
Yeah.
No fiance don't come in my house and straighten it out.
You just do it for yourself.
Me alone. Tidy it, straighten it, fix it, set it in order, fix everything. There's only one thing I must not fix it, that I just do. I don't have the time, but I have all the polish. I polish like sun, and that's why I work now. Fix up my little belt, because every man jump on every morning early, you know. Take a push snap, and I jump about 2 of me alone, and I have to use every minute, I have to use my knife. Be careful how I have to use my tool, you know.
Yeah.
I bust a finger and so.
Sharp.
But it's a deeply reason why you really come. And say, well, I forgot to check that belly. Because you see for yourself that some. Oh, hello. Okay. Mr. come to you. I'm a neighbor, you know.
Okay.
She just live right next to me.
Okay.
She come in same like you.
Yeah.
The man that come in like when Jesus walked on the earth. They know things and them see things.
Yeah.
And him is the right one for your follow.
Yeah.
You know, he's a good man, you know. You know, no one never come to me so easy and look for me also. But I look for me all the time, like you.
No one.
Enough for me age, you know, you're the first man ever really, man, let me tell you something. You shocked me, you know. That means shocked me. And I fight me easy for fight. But you put me in. Away from move and dance and spin on in the galley.
True. True.
Because same as how you see me sit down, just and lay down. And you see sister come and say call, and say gone, I saw me move. I don't have no one to call me. I don't have no one to visit me. I don't have no one to shoot me. I say wait, I want wait, something wrong. But and I saw the Spirit of God is clean. And then I keep no arguments, and I keep no dirtiness, neither no corruption. That's why it make you come. That's why and you come in, the Spirit come in. But you have to follow the Spirit.
Yes, because I did say I go follow the Spirit. I did say I go and the Spirit tell me when to go.
You see what I mean? You hear my message? That's why I sit down to myself and I want it coming when you come and say somebody come to me and so it coming like something strange, but to myself to what I realize, nothing strange. Because anything don't happen, anything don't happen, anything will happen. I always sit in my bed before I get up. Or in my laboratory. Papa, nothing I can do, you know. It's only a little fight.
Only a little fight.
Only a little petty fight. But it can't trouble you.
Yeah.
Anytime I go home, read Psalms 18.
Psalm 18.
Yeah.
Alright then. Psalms 18.
It will tell you the message. You see? And have no fear.
Definitely will do that. Definitely.
That's why me in my liquor bottle I'm not going to necessary. Because you don't know that me not have no fiancé. Alone, they can't help me straighten out. You know, man see already, you know.
Yeah.
Man don't go fling things one side and scrape up and, you know.
Yeah. Man.
I want to fix up the right way and such like and but you me pack up and full up and all them things, you know.
Yeah.
Straighten out and such like.
Go on straighten out.
You try to stand up, you bounce back. They try to get you cooperate in certain misunderstanding, but you do not cooperate.
No.
You go say thank you and hold the yes. And for you're gone, they like you forgot. I'm a pass of this man, nothing, me go away town, but not never spring. And I go to our brother, same place was me pass today. Just top side.
Yeah.
He need have a little small to me.
Okay.
But he never get through with no bill. But as him see me, he say,
bless you.
He have 7 years.
Yeah.
But as him
And bless
have
you.
$1,000 and I'm say, listen, I have whole heap of pay to bills. Anytime I make, they know what me do.
Yeah, the roots, guys, the roots more on the roots said anytime already. The roots
no,
there.
listen, my good.
Yeah.
You see that coming, you come and your man now run joke.
Yeah.
To that one, Saturday?
Yeah.
All right. come back the next time I did. Me go back next week.
Next week, so come back next week for you.
And you're back already.
Alright then.
Cause you know me there.
I know where there.
You're
I'll
not
find
afraid.
you. No, I'll find you.
Anything at all you need or such like and all that. You come shot me.
Alright then.
Because I know say, you don't keep no JZ friend. You don't keep Bagabo. If it's need my a fiancé I talk to, you go see I said that she look upright and intelligent. If they're not upright and they're not intelligent, you're not going out. Now, little message still to give you, but it's not sometime everything good for heat, good for talk.
True.
Sometimes the master say thing, but in the ever is word the same time. But I want to do one thing for me.
Yeah.
I want to hold the rain.
Ole?
Hold your rain, you know what I mean by rain?
Yeah, yeah.
If you didn't see something in your mind as a danger, try your best. You can rebuke it, but hold your opinion. Hold your opinion till you see me. Anything you need or anything you desire, you make me know. Because I'm young, me old.
Yeah, yeah, true. Experience.
Me hold in age and me hold in respect. Me hold in everything. Because for you see me come here, I just show me now certain me look a galley yet.
Yeah, yeah.
Show me now that time and I'm alone. Me come like my head there so.
Yeah, yeah.
And such like and so. Is anything important you need?
No.
So from today, we are no strangers, we are brother
My brother.
in Christ. We join together and we unite together. You see what I mean?
Yeah. Alright then.
I have some more things to reply to you, but sometime, and everything good for heat, good for talk. Sometimes you have to hold the rain. When I mean good for heat, good for talk, and nothing bad.
Yeah, yeah.
But if your brother in danger, you show him in real. That he not walking in the ditch.
Yeah, true, true, true. True. I get you, I get you.
You get to the point?
Yeah, I get you. I get the point, definitely.
And anytime you leave in your house, always remember, Lord have mercy upon my soul. Repeat a psalm to him or anything that you desire. Make sure so in your house, in your toilet or anything. If you live in your bathroom.
Yeah, reveal it.
Before you come anyway. Because Jesus is a keeper per se. Him is a keeper and him is a and him guide when I him keep when I him do everything to we. Plenty we don't know that you know what me there.
Yeah.
But you know I know what you do.
Yeah.
So we just come to the right way.
Alright.
So you do your things and you know what me do.
Yeah, man.
I'm alone there at all.
Definitely I come see you again.
So we want meditate.
Yeah, on the right
We
way.
want bounce back hard. Because remember this. I have no spiritual friend, you know. I don't keep friends. Use my only friend that I have right now. And the sister then here answer, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? I not keep friend to that bush what me tell me with a melody behind it. You're the only one I have right now.
And I will forever be your friend. So you will definitely see me again.
Right.
Alright? Until next time.
I can't tell you my secret.
Alright.
tell me your secret. Because you're not going to hear this a come from Tom, or this
No.
amount a come from Harry, or this amount come from James. Me not them ways there.
Alright then, so take care, yeah, Albert?
Yes.
I'll definitely come and see you again next time. I'm gonna keep
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.